Hey guys, I'm Zelwolf, and thank you to my friend Thanks to Caleb Chung for telling me about Pep-Mint, or at least doing a video on their channel for Pep-Mint. I wasn't even aware you could buy Pep-Mint yet in the UK. There was a double pack of Pep-Mint and Snowflake on Amazon UK, but that's just kind of it never became available, so I'm guessing this is the only one we can get. But I thought I would buy it and we could do an unboxing of it. As I said, this is Pep-Mint, the little Christmas Furblet, and it's got just masses of attention things all over the box now. It's kind of sad, really. I think it spoils it a bit. So press and reveal, it says on the side there, and you've got a kid who's very excited to press the Furblet and reveal and hear the music and stuff like that. So let's open the box and see what this one's like. I will also do a video. Too lazy to get scissors, so nails it is. Come on, there we go. I'll do a video comparing this one with last year's festive Furblet. I can't get my hands on Snowflake, but I can at least compare it with the last one. I can't remember the name of last year's one, but I do have last year's one. So we've got the usual sort of setup. This one seems to have like peppermint popsicles all over. It's like a little sort of swirly pan on the ears. And if you look at the eyes there, you can see the same pattern in the eyes, and it's also got these sort of painted bits around on the faceplate, which I think is really cool. It's sort of like the little touches that go the extra mile, you know, around the eyes. That's cool. The ears are pink, the feet and the bottom of it is green. This little tag here is the same colour as the bottom of the Furblet, and this is pink, so it all kind of goes in with the colours of the fur. Obviously a fan of Jingle Bells. Very excited about Christmas there. yeah, I think the sound clips are actually all different with this one, which is nice. Because I heard that Snowflake was actually a bit of a kind of a remix of some of the other voice clips for last year's festive Furblet, which is kind of disappointing. I'd like Snowflake, but if it doesn't become available over here, I'm not going to, like, you know, go all out to try to get it. As it is, I've been looking for the Hershey's Furby Minis on Amazon, and they only ship to America, so one of my American friends has graciously offered to send them to me in return for some artwork. I do artwork in return for things, as well as, you know, commissions and stuff as well, so hopefully in a future video I will be doing those as well. And as I said, I will compare this one to the other Christmas one, which will probably be Monday's video. So yeah, I like this Furblet. I think it's quite festive and happy, and I like that the voice. The voice sounds more masculine as well. I think the colours maybe, I mean, it's got pink on it, but it may be slightly less girly than a few of the others. But I think at the end of the day, it makes a good stocking filler or a small gift for a friend. So yeah, I like this Furblet. It's good, and it makes a nice addition to the collection. So you can see more unboxings of the Furblets and other Furbies and things if you click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip on Ko-fi. It's all very welcome, or super thanks on YouTube. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.